Hello student, welcome to Bal Bharati Vidyapeeth Gohana, a home of true learning and ultimate pleasure. So, welcome to all of you in your chemistry class. Myself is Mrs. Anita, lecturer in chemistry, Bal Bharati Vidyapeeth Gohana. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 2, that is acids, bases and salts. In this chapter, we will discuss about acid and their properties. First, start with acids. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ion H positive ion when placed in water. When these acidic compounds are dissolved in water, the ions split from each other as shown in the diagram. Here, orange and green color is HCl, get separated out in chloride and H positive ion. So, definition of an acid will be acid is substance which produce hydrogen ion in water. For example, hydrochloric acid. It is the hydrogen ion which turn blue litmus to red and give acidic characteristics property. एसिड जो होते हैं ब्लू लिटमस को रेड कर देते हैं. फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल, ऑरेंज और पाइन एप्पल टेस्ट सॉर बिकॉज दे कंटेन एसिड, यानी कि एसिड जो है खट्टे टेस्ट के होते हैं. ऑल्सो टर्न ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड and produce H positive ion. These are the some fruits which are acidic in nature and contain H positive ion and will turn blue litmus to red, and these acids will release H positive ion only in the presence of water. Without the presence of water, these will not dissociate to produce the hydrogen ion, and these are the hydrogen ions which can turn the color of blue litmus paper to red paper. Clear? So acids are the substances. Most acidic टेस्ट और होते हैं. react with many metals to form hydrogen gas, are corrosive, means appears to eat away materials while reacting, have a chemical formula that begin with H. For example, zinc plus hydrochloric acid will produce Zn plus H2 plus ZnCl2. Can you tell what is the type of this reaction? Because we have studied the types of reaction in our first chapter. This is a type of displacement reaction in which hydrogen will displace zinc will displace chloride from hydrogen because zinc is more reactive than chlorine. In this way, hydrogen gas will produce. These are some common acids. Citric acid खट्टे फ्रूटों में मिलता है. लैक्टिक एसिड योगर्ट, मसल्स, ओवरवर्कड में. एसिटिक एसिड विनेगर. कार्बोनिक एसिड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स में. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड हमारे स्टमक में होते हैं. तो ये कॉमन एसिड्स हैं. लैक्टिक एसिड हमारी बॉडी में मसल्स में बनता है जब देयर इज लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन आवर बॉडी, जिसकी वजह से क्रैम्प आने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. बॉडी में लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. एसिटिक एसिड विनेगर होता है ये, और एसिटिक एसिड का जो IUPAC नेम होता है वो इथेनोइक एसिड बोलते हैं. यूजेस ऑफ एसिड. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री टू रिमूव रस्ट फ्रॉम मेटल बिफोर दे आर पेंटेड. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज यूज्ड मेक फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड डिटर्जेंट्स. Ethanoic acid is used in vinegar for cooking and to preserve food such as vegetables. Citric acid is used making fruit salts. So these are the some uses of acids: hydrochloric, sulfuric, ethanoic and citrus acid. Now let's check your vocabulary. What ions do acid produce in water? कौन से आयन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एसिड वाटर में? एसिड प्रोड्यूस H positive ion. State 3 properties of acid. Acids are sour in taste. Acid produced H positive ion and turn blue litmus paper to red. Explain what is meant by a strong acid. Give one example of strong acid. That is, explain what is meant by a weak acid. Give example of weak acid. These are strong acid and weak acid. The strong acid are those acid which can dissociate completely into the aqueous medium are known as strong acid. For example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. The acid which does not dissociate completely in the aqueous solution or which give less number of H positive ion are known as weak acid. Ethanoic acid, acetic acid. So These are the answers to your quick check. हाइड्रोजन आयन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एसिड, सो टेस्ट किए होते हैं, ब्लू लिटमस को रेड करते हैं, react with metal to produce hydrogen gas. Strong acid is an acid that completely ionized in water. Weak acid that is not completely ionized in water. So this is all about your chapter number chapter number 2 about the topic acid and their property. Hope you understand the concept of acid and their properties, and you like the video. If you like the video, press the like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.